This is 200 square meter plot. This is drawing dining area. Two bedroom on the ground floor. So this is the first bedroom. Wardrobe area, as you can see. This is the utility area. Very luxury size for the bathroom. As you can see, ample space. Now moving on to the second bedroom on ground floor. This is the second bedroom, again with wardrobe, with attached washroom. So from the second bedroom on ground floor, this is connected to the utility area, and this terrace, this stair is going up to the terrace for any servant or so. So this is again attached washroom with the drawing and living area. Now this is kitchen on the ground floor. Ample space for kitchen and very luxurious space, as you can see. Now moving on to the first floor. So this is the first floor. On the first floor, this you can utilize as store or puja room as per your demand. Ample space to hang up lights also. For the placement area, you are also getting decent space for the placement area. So now this is the first floor. So now on the first floor, you are getting 3 bedroom. This is the foyer area. You can place your sofa set over here if you want to for the first floor. Now on the first floor you are getting 3 bedroom, first bedroom, second, third, and on the ground we had 2 bedrooms. So basically till now we have covered 5 bedrooms. So moving on to the first bedroom on the first floor. So this is the area and the design that you will be getting with the attached balcony. This is the balcony, ample space. So very wider area for the balcony also that you are getting. Now with this bedroom also you are again getting attached washroom and bathroom area. So this is the wardrobe area, ample space. Now this is again your bathroom that is attached with the bedroom. So this is the dressing area that will be there with your washroom. Ample space over here also, as you can see. Now moving on to the second bedroom. So this over here on the first floor you are seeing is again attached area for kitchen that you can utilize. So this is a small kitchen that has been dedicated to the first floor for any of your common purpose or any demand, with the attached with the foyer area. So moving on to the second bedroom on the first floor. This is the second bedroom, again very beautifully designed with the false ceiling work also done for you. So you can place your lighting over here for better placement. Now this is the cupboard again over here with the attached bathroom area. Now this bedroom is connected to this balcony over here. So it is airy also from both the side. Now this is the third bedroom on the first floor, as you can see. Again, very beautifully designed. Again with the fall ceiling work that has been done. Also placement of light is ample space. So this washroom bathroom area that has been combined over here, this one is also has ample space. So very beautifully it has been designed. You can place any of your chandelier also over here as per your demands. So placement of things can be very beautifully put up. Also, as you can see, the fall ceiling work here has also been done. So there is nothing that you have to spend other than this. Again, this glass railing works gives a beautiful look for the house. Now this is the second floor. On the second floor you are getting to see this foyer area. Again ample space for the foyer area. 2 bedroom are here. So this is the first bedroom on the second floor. Practically the 6th bedroom in this villa. Again with a combined bath washroom area, bathroom washroom. This has again access to the balcony that is at the back of the side for air and ventilation. Now this is the second bedroom on the second floor and practically your 7th bedroom in the villa. Again with the cupboard area, ample size for the bedroom. Again very beautiful placement for any of your chandeliers that can be placed up here with the fall ceiling work that has been done. On the second floor 2 bedrooms are there and this is the store room that you are getting. You can utilize it as per your demand. Now this that you are seeing is again the terrace that is attached with your second floor. Here you can enjoy the beautiful view. Also you have placement very nicely area that is being provided for any of your function. You can utilize it for any of your function. On the above again the access is there with the terrace. So yes, this was a beautiful constructed villa in 200 square meter plot, sector 52 Noida. Very beautifully you can place any of your chandelier also from there. Generally we get to see these sort of design in Godrej and other luxury villas. From here you can place a chandelier of 15 to 20 feet down with the steep height. So yes, you can connect us further for any query related to this villa. Thank you.